All right. One more live stream to end the day. 73 times 54. How do we solve that problem using the area model? So I'm going to get right into it. So as you can see, I broke down each number in expanded form here. We have 70 for 7 tens and 3. We have 50, 5 tens and 4 ones. So in this box, in the first box, we multiply 70 times 50. Let me move this a little closer here. $70 times 50. In the next box, 50 times 3. Down here, 70 times 4. Down over here, 3 times 4. All right. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Again, it doesn't matter what order you solve each of the problems in the boxes, but I always like to start with the easiest of the four problems. 50 times 3. So we're going to act like the zero is not there. We're going to multiply 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Now we're going to add the 0 to our answer. We add a 0 to the number 15. It becomes 150. All right, 70 times 4. Again, we're going to just multiply 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. Now we're going to add the 0 to our answer. 28. If we add a 0 to it, becomes 280. $70 times 50. So we're going to act like the zeros aren't there. Once again, we're going to multiply 7 times 5. 7 times 5 equals 35. Now we're going to add the 2 zeros to our answer. We add 2 zeros to 35. We get 3,500. All right, so now the final thing we need to do is we need to add these 4 numbers up. So I'm going to add these 2 numbers. I'll do 2 separate addition problems. I'm going to add these 2 numbers. I'm going to add these 2 numbers. And then we're going to add both sums. In my previous video, I added all 4 problems together. It is possible to add all 4 problems together. You could use either strategy. You could do 2 separate addition problems and add the sums, or you could add all 4 problems together. Either strategy will get you the right answer. For this one, though, I'll make it 2 separate problems. All right. 3,500 plus 280. Over here, 150 plus 12. Whether you add all 4 numbers at once or whether you do 2 separate problems the way I'm doing on this video, very, very important that you line up the numbers. You want the numbers in the ones place to be lined up. You want the numbers in the tens place to be lined up. You want the numbers in the hundreds place to be lined up. And you want the numbers in the thousands place to be lined up. Very easy to make a mistake if the numbers aren't properly lined up. Start with the easiest problem. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 0 equals 1. So our answer to that problem is 162. We didn't need to regroup for that one. We only regroup when the sum is 10 or more. So we might not need to regroup for any of these. We'll see. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Let me line that up a little better. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3, and our answer is 3,780. All right, so now, final step, I got to add the two sums together. I got to add together 3,780 plus 162. So 3,780 plus 162. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 8 plus 6 equals 14. So here, since the sum is more than 10, we need to regroup. 4 goes in the tens place. 1 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 1 plus 7 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. 3 plus 0 equals 3. And our answer is 3,942. So 73 times 54 equals 3,942. I'm going to leave that up on the board for all of you for a minute. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. That is my video for today. That is my 2023 Primetime live stream. Huge shout out to everybody that tuned in. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if there's an area of math or reading that you're struggling with, please write an example of something school-related that you're struggling with in the comments, and I will do a future video on it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great night, everybody.